Hello, beautiful. How are you? I just ate some amazing potato salad. It is my weekend. Now I'm off for 3 days. Woo! It's been a heck of a week. Baby's off at work. I'm eating potato salad and jamming out. Just finished doing some flexibility training, loving incorporating that into my life lately. Feeling good. Feeling fly. Honey, how you doing? I hope you're doing better than just getting by. I remember as a little girl I wanted to travel the world to see all the new things, all the new people. My mama told me when I was young to remember to not get too caught up in it all. But sometimes we fall, so take what you learned and grow from that. Take the lessons you've learned and choose a better route. Cause I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe that we can create a world of serenity. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah, I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe that we can create a lot of beauty together. Together, oh. So take my hand when times are hard, and take my words for what you will. Cause all that I am trying to do is create a better world for me and for you. Cause I believe in you, I believe in us, I trust that we can do so much better than we've been doing. Wouldn't you agree? So baby, choose to open your eyes and see. Choose to see the possibilities. Cause we ain't got nothing if we ain't got hope. No, we ain't got nothing if we ain't got hope. But I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe that we can create some epic beauty. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah, I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe in us. I trust that we can make a better world. All it takes is a little kindness. So keep your head held high, even though the tide may feel high sometimes and it feels like you're going under. But baby, I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe that we can create some epic beauty. Don't you? But we ain't got nothing if we don't have hope.